Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video we will discuss about phishing, one of the most common computer crime that is being committed. It is a part of our topic about cybersecurity. Before we continue, I would like to thank my best friend and business partner, Mr. Frederick O. Villalona, MIT, for giving me the permission to use portion of his article that is published in DNX as a material in our presentation. Thank you very much, Sir Fred. And for those who are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Please click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Select all, and please support my channel by subscribing. So let's get started. Let us define what is phishing. Phishing is a type of online scam where criminals impersonate legitimate organizations via email, text, advertisement, or other means in order to steal sensitive information. Most of the time, the cybercriminals uses banks, financial institutions, in order to get personal information like name, credit card numbers, so on and so forth. It is usually done by including a link that will appear to take you to the company's website to fill in your information. But the website is a clever fake, and the information you provide goes straight to the crooks behind the scam. The term phishing is a spin on the word fishing because criminals are dangling a fake lure, the legitimate looking email, website, or ad, hoping users will bite by providing information the criminals have requested, such as credit card numbers, account numbers, passwords, usernames, and other valuable information. How to recognize a phishing email? Number 1. Companies don't request sensitive information via email. They are requiring you to call them directly, or if you have an online account with them, you might log in and change the information on their website. That is one of the indication. Companies don't request sensitive information via email. Number 2, they have legit domain emails. Companies are using legit email addresses like, for instance, expressonline@bpi.com.ph. It is not the same as info@jar.com. In this particular screenshot, we have here a fake email from a legitimate website, BPI or Bank of Philippine Island. This is one of the biggest banks here in the Philippines. Take a closer look. The domain of the email is info@jar.com. So it is not a legitimate email of BPI Bank or Bank of Philippine Island. So be careful when you provide information. Please read it carefully and check the domain of their email. Third, check the grammar and spelling errors. Most phishing emails originate from foreign countries where the English language is less common, and other bad grammar make it a little bit easier to bypass the scam filters. So we have to be cautious and have checking the spelling. If there are some spelling errors or grammatical errors, it is one of the signs that it is not a legit email. Next, number 4, legit companies don't send unsolicited attachments. There are instances that malware is sent in unsolicited email attachments, and so companies will never ask you to provide confidential information through this. Next, unusual request, credentials, payments, or personal information. Companies will never use insecure way of writing this sensitive information on digital notepad. This is not a safe practice. Instead, they will require you to check your online account using their legit website and update whatever information they might ask for. How does this scams work? A message like account is locked or temporarily restricted can trigger anxiety. If you isn't aware of this, then you might immediately click the link. This will redirect you to a false website asking you to fill in the information, not to remove the restricted account, but the scammers will add your pieces of information to their database records. Here is the example. A PayPal account that is being used by a fake website to gather information, and then as you can see, no, the account is already been disabled, no, and then the email address. So be careful on entertaining or opening email, so that you cannot be a victim of phishing. Another example is asking to update your bank's online information through the spoof website. So we have here the tips on ways to prevent phishing attacks. First, do not click immediately in an email or instant message. Number 2, check the URLs or uniform resource locator if this matches to legit domain, and be aware of the website extensions. Third, install free anti-phishing add-ons in your browser. For Firefox users, go to their address and search for anti-phishing add-ons. Next, do not share your personal information on an unsecured website. Check if the URL or uniform resource locator start with HTTPS instead of HTTP. So when we say HTTPS, Hypertext Transport Protocol Secure, it's much safer than Hypertext Transport Protocol. Next, update your password more often. Install security patches or update your browsers. Activate your firewall to prevent external attacks. Avoid clicking pop-ups because often linked to malware attempted phishing attacks. Second to the last, be careful in social network invites. And then lastly, observe cybersecurity awareness. So we have here the references that I'm using in my presentation. Special thanks to my best friend, Mr. Frederick O. Villaluna, MIT, for giving me the permission to use his article in DNX News. So thank you for watching. Before we end, I would please like, if you like this video, share, and please support my channel by subscribing. See you in the next video tutorial. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.